All right. Good morning, pure structure traders and YouTube for another morning market analysis with us. Today we'll be going over S&P 500, gold, and also oil. I'll be giving you some of the minor levels, some of the major levels here on S&P. Wendy will be going over some of the minor levels for you guys. And then we'll be going over gold and oil for you guys as well. So again, if you guys do like these videos, please go ahead and smash that like button. If you are not subscribed to the channel yet, please go ahead and subscribe. Any questions you guys got, feel free to pop them in here on YouTube for us. All right, but with that said, let's go ahead and jump into it. So for S&P 500, we are still in a bearish trend right now. You can see nice downward movement. Had resistance levels at 45, 36, 75, popped above that. My next one up was about 57, couldn't get up to that level because he was starting to fall off. Resistance at 45, 18, 25 right now. So want to see if we retest this area. And if we do, this could be the area that I'm looking for the short opportunity to come right back down to 44, 97, 75. Get above these 45, 18, 25s, my next level again, resistance 45, 36, 75. So we'll see what happens. Support down below again, 97, 75 for me. So we'll see if we continue to come down. I'm going to hand it over to Wendy. She'll be giving you some of the minor levels she has.
Okay, thanks, Dave. Good morning. Let me share my screen. So this is my 8 tick. David uses the main levels on the 16 tick, and this is the 8 tick. And I have rejection right here. Sorry, resistance at 45, 45 because of this bad boy. It's the neck of that double top, and it rejected here, here, here. So that tells us that we are going to continue this market down. Now, what do? We mark micro, when we are in a down level, downtrend, we mark micro supports that broke to the downside. Here's one right here, 32.50. And no coincidence, again, for a further move. Our next level, am I keeping you up, Dave?
No, you're good.
Okay. My next level of micro support is here, 26.75. Look at this. Support, major rejection, beautiful, carry it down further. Now this is a peak area, obviously, but it is around this micro support, and it did go rejected here and went above it a little bit just to look for stop loss hunts, and then rejected it here. This is where I took the short and then carrying it down, taking some profit at 07.75 because it is a major support area, but I want to see if it can get down to where Dave's level and my level of bottom support, which is 97.75. But these, when you use the main levels as a determination of what the trend is, then you move on over to the 8 tick and find out where your micros are so that can use them as a guide to follow it down. And it's no coincidence why we are seeing the rejection at these levels. It's beautiful. Trading is easy. You just have to keep out of the middle of this bullshit. Stop being emotional and just trade the levels, and you're golden. All right, darling, back to you for oil and gold.
All right. Good work. Okay, so pulling charts back up. Let's go ahead and take a look at gold. Gold, we did pull down even below our level of support 71.8 and then pop right back up. So we do have a new low down here created, which is about 67.9. You can see that we are trying to pull back up, but as of right now, I want to see this pull back into 76.9, see what happens right here. If not, next level down 71.8, and then below that again 1767.9 as the supports. Higher level of resistance on gold 1784.6 and then 1787.7. So if we stay below that, that's going to be some pretty bearish movement to the downside. So we'll see what happens here on gold. Moving over into crude oil. Crude oil, we do have resistance between 64.15 to about 64.40. We did bounce nicely right off those 64.40. So want to see this maybe collapse a little bit lower if we can, which is down to our major area of 62.56. That's our support down below. If we get back above 64.40, next level up 64.84, and then above that 65.50. So we'll see what happens here. But again, if we stay below these 64.40s, I may be looking for nice short opportunities down into the main support of 62.56. But with that said, guys, that wraps it up for S&P 500 gold and also oil. Again, thank you guys for tuning in. If you guys do like these videos, please go ahead and smash that like button. If you're not subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe. Any questions you guys got, put here on YouTube. We'd love to get back to you guys. With that said, make sure you guys trade with discipline and patience. If you're going to be in the room, let's go ahead and prepare for the open.